So let's start for Kubernetes series where we are learning like where how we are like what is object and how objects are implementing. So today we will be seeing actually lab part. So so in lab part where we will be looking like how we were creating pod and how we can go for replica set and replica controller. So let's start our what you call VMware VirtualBox. So to start the minikube, just start the VirtualBox and just you can see minikube is powered off, and I have already explained you the about the minikube how to start and all. So let's do just copy this path, okay, and go to command prompt and just run as administrator and say yes and go to the directory, and in that directory just you have to type minikube start and driver equals to virtualbox. Okay, so just type and it will get to the start. So it will, this is the command to start the minikube. So after installation everything you have kept this file in like some particular folder and all. So you can see there is kubectl installer and minikube installer is kept here. So I think it got started. No, it is still starting. So let's go for like we will verify from here also. It is, see, it was off, now it is in running condition. Okay, so just give me 1 second. So let's okay. Yeah, so basically what we are doing, just we are starting the minikube. Yeah, see, you can see the status cube, see minikube status. This is the command for minikube specifically. Only two commands you have to remember: minikube start, minikube status, and one more minikube stop. So if you are seeing this all like uh, type control panel host running, kubelet running, API server running, and configure, it means that you have started your uh, minikube. So let's see like how many ports and how many things are there. So kubectl get all. If you'll do, you will see everything. Like okay. So this is the running 9 days ago. Age is 9 days ago. So restart one port for this thing. Replica set also created. Deployment also created. Pod also created. So everything is there in that. So I'll just try to delete kubectl delete pod. So give this name. There is need to spell resource type as a separate argument passing argument. So it is not getting deleted. So let's try this. Yeah. So directly we should give the delete and the pod name. And now if you'll see, there is no pod. Get pods. So yeah. So these are the pods still running. No problem. We will just delete those as well. So what we are doing, no, because it is a replica set is already there, so that's why kubectl, I'll delete the replica set only. Kubectl, delete this replica set as well. Okay, kubectl, delete this deployment service as well. Kubectl, delete this deployment as well. So now if you'll see kubectl get all, you will not find anything. Okay, except one port, right? One service thing and these two ports. These are also terminating status. So yeah. So where were we? We were discussing like uh, where we like how we are creating pod and all. So after starting minikube, you just pod, you know what is the mean of pod. Inside pod there will be container. Inside pod there will be container, and inside container there will be an application. So for now we are, this is our application, so this is pod, so this we are creating. So it means we are creating this, and we should have this container, right? This container should be there. In that container there should be one app, right? So that then only it will be created. For those things where we are getting details, from how we can get the details, so this is the pod actually. So if you'll say, and this is the container, C I'll write, and this is the our app, app I will write. Okay, so basically how we are taking, how we are building, just I'll show you one pod manifest file. So we are just giving directly manifest file, and we are what you call is, we can just if you will type this kubectl describe pods, so no resources for, okay, uh, like I'll tell you kube service. So yeah, basically what is happening now, so where we were, we were there in pod. Okay, pod definition, where it is, that file I have already written manifest file, but I'll show you. Yeah, so this once I have already explained, but yeah, still again I am explaining. So this is the, we can write my version, and kind always will be there, and whatever if you want, there is object name actually. So I'll just comment it. Okay, this is object name. So the comment is in YAML file, it is hashtag. Yeah, this is the object name actually. If you want to create deployment object, deployment you will write. If you want to create service replica set, you will write the replica set. So metadata always we are giving name, labels and all. So these are the like pod details, and specification we are giving here, it is the concern. So we are creating, suppose we are creating an application. Indirectly way you can tell we are creating application, and application will be there in container, and container there inside will be in pod. So these container, where from where we are getting, so this is in specification part we are just defining what should be there in the container. So in container name anything we can give, but image should be there in the Docker hub. This is the image which is available, default image in Docker hub. Okay, So this is the default image. So we can put our image, push our image to Docker Hub, and then we can fetch those image here as well. Okay, that I will also tell later point of time. Okay, how to push from Docker to Docker Hub, like how to create container and push that container to Docker Hub. Those things I'll tell you. But yeah, for now, this is the image. This is the application which Docker like organization has made, and we put it for free use. It is default accessible, like default image which is there available, default application which is available in the website Docker Hub, which from where it is getting fetched. So likewise, you can understand. So we are just simply doing nothing, just kubectl create hyphen app pod, sorry, pod uh, mm, definition.yml. This just give the file name and kubectl create. So kubectl spelling is not correct. Okay, if you'll do that, then it will show pod is created. And if you want to see the details, get pods. Okay, sorry, my system is kubectl get pods. See, now you can see node app pod container creating. It is seconds before it has started. So it is creating this pod only. Okay. So now pod we understood, right? Now we are going for replication controller and replica set. So replica controller, you know, like we have already discussed. Okay, replication controller, there we cannot just, it will duplicate it, and I'll just explain you in the paint. So what is replication controller? What is replica set actually? So I'll tell you. So replica set. So replication controller is nothing but what you can say is, it will just duplicate. It will not worry about it, whether it is the Java application, whether it is Node application, or whether it is another application. Whatever it will get down, and something will come up which is not defined like. So what is replica set is actual whatever getting down. Suppose Java is getting down, then Java will be up. So in the server will be having multiple you can say multiple application, right? In the written front end we are using something else, no like HTML, CSS, Angular something, and back end we are using Java, JavaScript, whatever it is, different set of thing, and DB we are using SQL and all. So if you like, if it is program is Java application is getting down, then it should be, there should be only Java application should be up, right? So this is ensures, replica set ensures that key it is the same application which is getting down should be up. This is what the difference. But in replication controller, it will just duplicate. It will not confirm key whether which application is getting down and which application is up. So if you will see this definition complete, what is that? So API version, apps version 1, we are giving this. For kind, we are just giving replica set. Just remember, replica and S is in capital, R in caps. And metadata we are giving same as whatever it is. So okay. So there in metadata we are giving name as a replica set, and label as a app, and type as a front end. This is front end app, suppose. And a specification we are giving all the details. So template, in the template part we are giving metadata the same as metadata is name as same, and label app is, that is also same, and a specification we are giving this new container HTTP 4, and replicas we are making it three ports will be created, three replica. and selectors we are giving this. So this is the type. Okay, app is no type, and this is the whenever it will some pod will be deleted, there will be another pod which is being created. That is what the concept of this replica set. So simply if you'll say kubectl create or apply whatever you can use. Okay, and you can just give replica set tab.yml. Okay, just you will type tab. No, it will be that file will be coming. Okay, kubectl get all. So you can see there are one replica set which is created, and desired is 3, current is 3, ready is 3. So this 2 is created, 3 pod is there. Okay, he will make sure, and this you can see there were only one pod, right? Now 2 pod has been created, and the 2 also running condition. So this is what replica set is doing. So if you will delete some pod, no, suppose kubectl delete. Now this dpg2s is deleted, right? Now it should be not there, right? But that is not there, right? dpg2s is deleted, but another port automatically, I have not created any port, right? Another port automatically got created. You can see for S5KMQ, it is new one, and this is already was there. So whenever if you have created this replica set, and if you're trying to delete port any port, automatically it will create new port. Automatically it will get created. So this is what the replica set means. So never it will be down. So to delete, suppose if you want to, now I have completed my like lab. So I will, if I want to delete, then what we need to delete? We need to delete first replica set. Otherwise node will be never deleted. Now replica set is deleted. Now you will see I have not deleted the port, right? If you'll see, there is no port now. Port has been automatically deleted. kubectl, if you do get ports as well, see, there is no resources found in default name SS. There were 3 port, and it has makes sure that there should be 3 ports replica set. But whenever I have deleted this replica set only, it has got deleted. So this is the complete part. So thank you for watching. If you want to stop the mini cube, just put mini cube stop. So it will stop your mini cube. So this is the actually we have just to saw the 2 objects, and we have completed the 4th lecture of Kubernetes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and keep sharing. I am just making very simple. It is not explained anywhere. So yeah, in the simplest way, if you are following my lectures, all the lectures, then you will understand. Thank you. Thanks for watching.